Grant? The doctor will see you now, sir.
The doctor gonna make you feel better, yeah, Courtney.
All right, Mr. Grant. Let's get you all checked out. Very interesting. My word.
So, what is the matter, Doc? Is there a problem?
I'll tell you what. Let me speak to your wife privately. You just wait outside and send her in.
Win some, honey. The doctor want to talk to you alone.
What is the problem, Doc? What's wrong with my husband?
Your husband is suffering from a very severe stress disorder. If you don't follow my instructions carefully, your husband will surely die.
What? Anything to save him life, Doc?
Each morning, you will have to fix him a healthy breakfast. You have to be pleasant at all times so as to keep his blood pressure down. For lunch, you have to make him a nutritious meal. For dinner, prepare an especially nice meal for him. Don't burden him with chores. Don't discuss your problems with him. It will only make his stress worse. Do not nag him. Most importantly, make love to him regularly. If you can do this for the next 10 months to a year, I think your husband will regain his health completely. That's my prescription for him. Make an appointment in 6 months' time so I can assess its progress.
So, honey, what did the doctor say?
Sorry to tell you this, but him say you're going to die.